Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Okay, I'm NCT Nur Anis binti Zaidi and I will explain about problem solving using Einstein photoelectric equation. Okay, a blue light with a frequency of 6.67 times 10 power of 14 Hz is shown on a clean calcium metal surface. What is the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons emitted? Okay, firstly, to answer this question, we must understand this question. So it stated that a blue light with a certain frequency, this frequency is shown on a clean calcium metal surface, and the photon energy will be absorbed by the electron in this metal surface, and therefore the electron will use the energy to escape from this metal surface, and then the electron will have a certain kinetic energy. Okay, next, to answer this question, we must identify the problem. Yes, this is identify the problem. And next, we must identify the information given. Okay, the information given is F. So we write F equal to 6.67 times 10 power of 14 Hz. This is the frequency, and then we have the work function W equal to 3.43 times 10 power of -19 joule. And this is the Planck's constant H equal to 6.63 times 10 power of -34 joule second. Okay, now we want to identify the maximum kinetic energy. Okay, the KE, kinetic energy. Okay, so what is the formula that we need to use to identify the kinetic energy? So we have the Einstein photoelectric equation, which is HF equal to work plus KE, which is K max, kinetic energy maximum. Okay, H, we already have H here, so we substitute into this equation. 6.63 times 10 power of -34 times frequency is here, 6.67 times 10 power of 14 Hz equal to work. The work is given, work function 3.43 times 10 power of -19 joule. Okay, time plus K max. So we want to find K max. We need to use calculator to times these two HF, and then K max is equal to HF minus work function. Therefore, the answer for this question, use calculator, we get 6.92 times 10 power of -20 joule. So this is the answer for maximum kinetic energy. Question 2, figure 7.41 shows the change in kinetic energy of photoelectrons released from lithium for different light frequencies. Determine the threshold frequency from the graph and calculate the work function of lithium. Okay, from the graph, we can see the threshold frequency, which is the frequency when the kinetic energy is 0. Okay, so we get the threshold frequency is 5.6 times 10 power of 14 Hz. Okay, settle for the threshold frequency, and now we want to we state 5.6 times 10 power of 14 Hz. And now we want to calculate the work function. Okay, the work function. So what is the formula to find the work function? Okay, we state the original equation, which is work function equal to HF minus Kmax. So here we can see that the K is equal to 0 when the frequency is at the threshold frequency 5.6 times 10 power of 14. So we substitute here H at F node threshold frequency minus Kmax is equal to 0. So H, we already know that H is 6.63 times 10 power of negative 34 times threshold frequency that we identify from the graph given, 5.6 times 10 power of 14. So we will get the work function of lithium, which is 3.71 times 10 power of negative 19 joule. So the question already solved for the work function of lithium.